This is probably going to be one of the most serious videos I ever make on the channel. There will be no quirky intro where I'm going, "Hey, how's it going, guys? Good to see ya. Beautiful weather out today." Which really is a damn shame because it is really nice out today. The reason this is going to be such a serious toned video is because it's political, and just to make this clear right off the bat, I despise politics. I don't even like politics when it's in a political arena like elections and all that stuff, let alone when it starts trickling into sports and entertainment. I hate every single bit of it. So the reason I'm making this video is just yesterday I made a video going over a ton of different things, one of which was the fact that I am actively looking for a rooftop tent, and I mentioned a few sales going on REI. I will go ahead and link to that video, so please check that out if you have not seen it. Again, this was just yesterday I uploaded this. So as soon as I uploaded, I had a few people comment yesterday and today letting me know their thoughts about REI, and apparently REI is huge anti-gun, anti-NRA, anti-Second Amendment, and pretty much anti-America, it seems. This was news to me because, believe it or not, I mean, I try to stay as far away from anything political as possible, so that really was news to me. I had no idea that that was REI's stance. So of course I did want to make a follow-up video to that saying I will not be giving REI one penny in my hunt for my rooftop tent. I will have to look elsewhere, so I just wanted to make it clear that that is not something I knew before I made the video. If I had, I wouldn't have brought that in. And unfortunately, once you upload a video to YouTube, you can't really edit it, so I can't really take that part out. I suppose I could re-upload the video and cut that part out, but that seems sort of arbitrary at this point. I am going to leave that video from yesterday as it is. I did go ahead and pin a comment in the comment section stating, pretty much what I'm saying right now, just in case anyone sees that video without seeing this one. So I did want to go ahead and make a video letting you guys know what's going on. I will certainly not be buying my rooftop tent from REI. I never understand why companies feel the need to take certain stances on issues like that, where I guess in their heads they think that being so polarized on one end or the other, whatever the political issue is, I guess in their heads they think that they're gonna get their current customers to buy a lot more merchandise, because all I see happening when companies do that is they're just alienating future customers or people who shop there once in a while, like in this case with REI. I can't remember the last time I bought something from REI anyway. It always seemed a little overpriced, and the only reason I was excited about the rooftop tent from them is because I could get 20% off and free shipping to a local store. That is certainly not going to happen now. I do apologize that this was a political video. This is a fun channel, not a serious channel by any means. Hopefully I'll never have to do something like that again. It's not something I wanted to do, but I did want to make sure you guys knew my stance on everything. That being said, I do now need to enlist the help of you, my fellow Tacomaholics. Help me find a good place to buy a rooftop tent, because I am still actively searching. That is certainly a hefty price tag. I want to make sure I buy it from a reputable company. So if you know of any sales or other websites or any of that stuff, please go ahead and comment, post links below. Let me know what's going on, because I'd like to get this soon. It is warming up. It is a beautiful day. And camping season is upon us, so I'd like to get out there and start giving you guys tons of cool camping related videos, from setups to maybe gear review, all that fun stuff. Maybe scout out some locales and all that. And I'm really excited about it too, because we have a bunch of local Tacoma guys who are huge into camping, so figure I'll tag along with them like a tick and sort of feed off their knowledge. So I can't wait to bring you guys that content. So again, please comment below on any sales you see going on or any good websites that I may have missed. Obviously I'm scouting all the big ones, but there's tons of places out there, so please let me know what you think about that. Again, hopefully the last political video I'll ever make for this channel. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.